Hi, and welcome back to Finance Genics, the channel that guides you to financial success. Stick around to the end, and I'm sure this video will be of benefit to you. While you're here, click that like, subscribe, and share button so we can help each other out. Oh, and that notification bell icon too, so you'll be notified of new videos from our channel. Most people never learn the fundamentals of financial literacy, and as a result, they struggle their entire lives with money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change that by getting a strong financial foundation in 7 easy steps. So whether you're just starting out or you've been struggling for years, this video is for you. Financial literacy is the knowledge an individual has about financial matters. This includes things like budgeting, investing, and banking. Financial literacy helps someone make excellent decisions with their money. Knowing about money and how to handle it can help you have a better life. You'll be able to make more money and contribute more to society. You'll also have a better attitude about money and be able to use it better. Financial literacy can help people have a good life. They will save money, make good choices with investments, and not get into too much debt. People who know about financial literacy will also be able to take out loans wisely. Making good financial choices is important throughout your life. So the first thing is learn how to budget. The first step to financial literacy is budgeting. If you have a budget plan, you can spend your money wisely. This means that you will save any extra money for emergencies. Without a budget plan, you cannot control how much money you spend. This could lead to overspending, which could cause problems if your salary or allowance stops. In order to make a budget plan, you need to first figure out how much money you make each month. You also need to track how much you spend each month. This includes your fixed expenses such as your mortgage or rent, utility bills, and loan payments. It also includes your variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. There are 2 types of financial goals, short-term and long-term. Short-term goals can be achieved within a year, while long-term goals may take longer than that. An example of a short-term goal would save money, while retirement savings would be an example of a long-term goal. Follow your financial plan in order to achieve balance. Next is understand your credit score. Your credit score is very important. It is a number that shows how well you have been paying your bills. This number is used when you want to borrow money or when you want to buy something expensive. Your score is made up of different things like how long you have had credit, how much money you owe. If someone pays off their credit bills on time, they are seen as trustworthy by the lender. This means that they have a good credit history, which will help them get loans in the future. A credit score is a 3-digit number between 300 and 850 that shows how risky it is to lend money to someone. A high score means that someone is a low risk and they usually repay their credit bills on time. A low score means that someone is a high risk and they have not always repaid their credit bills on time in the past. You should also know your credit report. This report summarizes your financial situation. By looking at this report, you will find any errors or fake entries. If this happens, you can take legal steps to fix the problem. The report will also help you track your spending and improve your credit score over time. Third is open a savings account. A savings account can help you save money. This is a good way to keep your money safe and make some money from the interest. Your money will also be safe in a savings account. A savings account makes it easier to pay your bills. You can also use an ATM card to get money from the bank. This is better than carrying cash in your wallet. Number 4, understand loans. It is important to understand the importance of paying off your debt. Most people want to have a debt-free life. There are 2 ways to pay off your debt quickly. One way to save money on your loan is to identify the loan with the highest interest rate and pay it off first. This will reduce the amount of interest you will need to pay in the long term. You can focus on paying off the loan at the second highest interest rate once you have cleared your debt. It is often a good idea to pay off smaller debts before you focus on the larger ones. A bonus tip: a good way to save money is by subscribing to our channel. It's informative, fun, and engaging, so you have nothing to lose. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below and share this video to your friends. Going back, number 5 is to expect risk. It is very important to be prepared for any risks that could happen with your money. This means having money saved up in case of an emergency. Many people do not prepare for these risks, and as a result, they suffer. For example, think about how many people lost money during the COVID-19 crisis because they were not ready. If you have a reserve of 3 to 6 months' living expenses, you will handle a minor financial crisis if it happens. This will help keep you from having a major financial crisis. For example, if you lose your job, you should have enough savings to cover your living expenses until you can find a new one. Some people lose their job and become homeless because they had not anticipated this risk. Number 6 is secure your future. It is important to be ready for retirement. Many people think they are too late, but it is better to be prepared late than not at all. Making a retirement plan is an important step in financial literacy. The first step in planning your retirement is to think about when you want to retire and how old you will be at that time. You should also think about how much money you will need each month for things like bills, groceries, and medical expenses. First, figure out how much money you'll need to live on each year during retirement. This includes both your regular income and the money you'll get from your retirement fund. Next, calculate how much money your retirement fund will generate each year after taxes. If it's not enough, start saving now so you can make up the difference. Lastly, reduce spending. There are 2 ways to save more money. You can either make more money by taking on another job, or you can reduce your expenses by spending less money. You can save money by planning your grocery list carefully. For example, if you want to buy 2 items, but you also want to save money, buy the most important item first. The next month, when your new salary comes in, you can buy the second item. If you divide your spending over a period of several months, you can save money. This will help you reach your financial goals. Some key takeaways from this video: it is important to be financially literate to make sound decisions with your money. There are 7 steps to financial literacy: know your net worth, understand your credit score, open a savings account, understand loans, expect risk, secure your future, and reduce spending. Thanks for watching, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do subscribe and hit that bell notification icon for more content such as this.